So what is Google Analytics and why should you use it? So Google Analytics is a tool directly from Google that puts site stats on your site. You make an account with Google Analytics. You put the code that they give you on your site, and you'll get really good tracking information of all the site visitors, which pages they're going to, how many pages, how many visits you're getting, how many views you're getting on the site, where they're coming from, where you're ordering, which countries they're visiting from, which areas, what their demographics are. It's all that very useful information to track stats and data on the website. And why does Google do that? Why are they giving you this tool for free? Because they use that data themselves on millions of websites that they can then use for their own usage of understanding how sites are being tracked and how sites are being visited and how sites are being used. So that's why Google does it. But at the end of the day, it's one of the best tools out there, and it's free for you to get all the stats that you want to see if your campaigns are working, if your if your website is being visited, if you're getting views. So every website that we create, we will install Google Analytics for you under your account, and we'll show you how to use it, and we'll show you how to access it, because this information is very important. It's not just about getting the website up and running, but it's making sure that it's working for you. And this is critical for any project that we do, to make sure that Google Analytics is set up and running properly. And so that's why you should have it, and make sure if you have a website that you have Google Analytics and you're tracking all the stats, and you're actually checking in once in a while to see what's going on there and seeing where the traffic is coming from.